Welcome to had6 channel. In this video, we will look into organization. 6 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Organization, which means the action of organizing something. Number 1. Management, which means the responsibility for and control of a company or organization. Management. For example, he's responsible for the management of the firm. Number 2. Logistics, which means the detailed organization and implementation of a complex operation. Logistics. For example, the logistics of a large-scale rock show demand certain necessities. Number 3. Arrangement, which means the action, process, or result of arranging or being arranged. Arrangement. For example, the arrangement of the furniture in the room. Number 4. Running, which means the action of managing or operating something. Running. For example, the day-to-day running of the school. Can you think of other examples? Please share them in the comment section below. Hitting the subscription button is the best way to stay connected. See you in the next video.